Everybody, so now we are doing the exercise 1.4. Already we did 3 questions. So now look at the question number 4 now. Write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 comma minus 2. That means it gives us 6 divided by minus 2 is what? Minus 3. Am I right here? So you have to write 5 more pairs. Now we know that any positive integer is divided by the negative integer, then the result is negative. Otherwise, any negative integer is divided by the positive integer, then the result is what? Negative. Here we need the result is minus 3. Minus 3, you can take like, okay, 12. It's a positive integer. So another should be negative integer. Minus. Now which number is divided by 12? You will get as 3. 4. Am I right here? Otherwise, which number is multiplied by 3? You will get as 12. 3 4s are 12 here. 3 4s are 12 here. So it's a one pair. And then another pair is, here we need minus 3. Am I right here? Okay. So you can take any number. Like 15 we will take. 15. Multiples of 3 you just write. Write down the multiples of 3. 15 minus 15. Then it should be plus. It should be plus. Then now which number is multiplied by 3? You will get as 15. 5. 3 5s are 15. So it should be plus 5. So it's a pair is what? 12 comma minus 4 here. Here minus 15 comma 5 here. When we are dividing 12 divided by minus 4, we will get minus 3. Minus 15 divided by 5 is minus 3. Am I right here? Yes. Then third pair. Minus 3 here we need. Here I am taking minus 3. Multiples of 3. Am I right? Now, which number is multiplied by 3? You will get as 3. 1. So 1. Plus 1. So therefore another pair is minus 3 comma 1. Minus 3 comma 1. Am I right here? Yes. Now we will take another number. 18 divided by, here it is positive integer, therefore another should be negative. Here we need minus 3. Now which number is multiplied by 3? You will get as 18. 6. So right, 6. So another pair is 18 comma minus 6. Am I right here? Then another pair, one more pair. One more pair. We need the result is minus 3. Am I right here? Here we will take multiple of 3. Shall we take 24? Okay, 24 we will take 24 minus 24. Then division should be positive. Then only the negative integer divided by the positive integer is negative. Now multiple of 3, tell me. Which number is multiplied by 3? You will get as 24. 8. So minus 24 divided by 8 is what? Minus 3. So minus 24 comma 8 is another pair. Minus 24 comma 8 is another pair. Are you getting there? Yes. Now look at the question number 5 now. The question number 5 is, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Look at the question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Am I right? So the temperature at the beginning, that is, it is given that temperature at the beginning. Temperature at beginning. We can write it within bracket at 12 noon. Am I right? At 12 noon. It's given that above 10 degrees Celsius or below 10 degrees Celsius. That is 12 noon was above 10 degrees Celsius. Then it will be plus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then after that, if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. Until midnight. And then at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? That means what? By what time the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature will be minus 8 degree Celsius. Am I right here? Yes. Now, what is the rate of change of temperature per hour? 2 degrees Celsius. Rate of change of temperature per hour. Rate of change of temperature per hour equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. It's decrease at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius in 1 hour. Are you getting there? Yes. Now, so it at beginning 12 noon it was 10 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at 1 p.m. Temperature at 1 p.m. Temperature at 1 p.m. PM means what? Post meridian. That means 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, it gives us 8 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature at 1 p.m. This is the temperature at 1 p.m. Now, what is the temperature at 2 p.m. now? Temperature at 2 p.m. The question is, by what time the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at 2 p.m. Temperature at 2 p.m. So at 1 p.m. it was 8 degrees Celsius, and then after that it is decreased by minus 2 degrees Celsius. That 8 minus 2 is 6 degrees Celsius. Are you getting there? Then again the temperature at 3 p.m. Temperature at 3 p.m. Temperature at 3 p.m. That is 6 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then it is 4 degrees Celsius. Then temperature at 4 p.m. Temperature at 4 p.m. 4 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then temperature at 5 p.m. Temperature at 5 p.m. That is equal to 2 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then it is 0 degrees Celsius. Then temperature at 6 p.m. 0 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then temperature at 7 p.m. minus 2 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then it is minus 4 degrees Celsius. Then temperature at 8 p.m. minus 4 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius. Then temperature at 9 p.m. minus 6 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius, which is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Therefore, what you can conclude, at 9 p.m. the temperature is how much dear? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Are you getting the first point? What is the first question? At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? That is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So at 9 p.m. the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. At 9 p.m. the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Am I right dear? Yes. Now, what is the second part then? The second part is, what would be the temperature at midnight? What would be the temperature at midnight? What would be the temperature at midnight? So, at 12 noon, it was 10 degrees Celsius. At 12 noon, it was 12 degrees Celsius. So, 12 noon to midnight, 12 noon to midnight, then 12 hours. So, each hour, it decreases by 2 degrees Celsius. Each hour, it is decreases by 2 degrees Celsius. So, the change in temperature after 12 hours, otherwise in 12 hours. That means what? 12, it's decreased by minus 2 degrees Celsius. So 12 into minus 2, that is minus 24 degrees Celsius. So at noon, 12 noon, it was 10 degrees Celsius. So therefore, the temperature at midnight, what dear? Temperature at midnight temperature will be, the midnight temperature will be, it was initially it was 10 degrees Celsius, then within 12 hours it decreased by minus 24 degrees Celsius. So plus 10 minus 24, then it is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Subtract the smaller number from the greater and give the greater number sign. And give the greater number sign. Am I right, dear? Yes. So at midnight, the temperature will be 14 degrees Celsius below 0. Otherwise, you can stop it here, minus 14 degree Celsius. Are you getting there? So we completed the question number 5. In the next video, we will discuss question number 6. Thank you everybody. Thank you.